Hello and welcome to another update video about ARB. ARB is currently showing some green candles here in our trend reversal area, in this orange support area. Ideally, if we really are in a bullish count here, in a bullish setup, that's basically the last realistic chance for the price to turn around. It's not the last possible chance, but it's the last realistic chance for price to turn around, to rally in a third wave, because at the moment we're counting it from an Elliott wave point of view as a 1-2-1-2 setup. It's quite a bullish setup with a third wave rally to come. However, and that's just a word of caution, I did highlight to you very clearly, and I will do it again, that due to the short price history of this chart, any Elliott wave count and any technical analysis is less reliable. And it's very simple, because we don't really have a good idea of the higher level trend. Okay, and because we don't have a good idea of the higher level trend, because simply there is no higher level trend, right? Because the chart history is so short, any analysis can really only be used to measure risk and to identify the probabilities of trend reversals, and at least identify the pivots. For example, in this case, it's the 125 level, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. A drop below that level would shift probabilities towards a direct breakdown and invalidation of the bullish count. It is the 125 level, the 78.6 retracement in this case, or typically in any wave 2, it's the 78.6 Fib level below which a wave 2 is most likely not going to hold. Yeah, it might hold it might rally briefly, but oftentimes, I've seen it so many times, it breaks. So at the moment, at least, we see some kind of a reaction here, and it seems like for now the risk of breaking 125 is at least getting a bit smaller, but we haven't seen enough yet to really confirm that we are reversing here. But ideally, if we are, well, ideally, I don't want to see another low below the Monday low here, which was at 127, yeah? Because my concern would be if we make one more low here, it's going to break 125 as well. If it breaks 125, there is one line of support left, which is 115, and below 115, the only real support that's left is already the 110 level, but that will most likely not hold, I would say, personally. If it does, then I would say eventually it will break, because we're just touching that support too often. The 110 level is the invalidation level of the bullish count. There is literally no support left below that. So to keep it simple, 125, a break of 125 would be a warning that the bullish count is going to break. The 115 level is the second warning, and the 110 level is invalidation of the bullish structure. At the moment, we have a possible 5-wave structure here to the upside, yeah. And in any pullback, that's what I mean, we now should hold the last low. And then we have a possible micro 1-2 setup that could set it up for higher. Really important that it's not breaking below 120, well, 128 it is, anymore. Again, that would most likely lead to a break of the 125 level, and then you have that cascade of possibly breaking supports. But yeah, for now we can be watching if we already are in a third wave, but it's very, very early days. Key resistance is the B wave top here now at 150. Alright, that's my update about ARB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.